What's up, guys? It's Bill from HOLOMODELS RC again. I'm at my favorite cornfield and I brought my Sportster out. I've added some flap mixing to it and I want to see how it works out. I got my flaps set at 30 and 40% on a three-way switch. And this is the version printed out of Sainsmart that weighs about 870 grams. So here we go.
Throttle cut off.
There's a 2836 motor in it with a 10-inch prop. So I don't have the flaps on yet. I'll let you know when I do turn them on. It's a little windy today. You can see it kind of getting bounced around there. Alright, come back this direction. Alright, so that's flaps at 30%. This is the lightest version that I have. I'm going to leave the flaps on. So I was curious how the flaps would work. You know, because this thing was already flying super slow. So I'll try to make some slow passes. There, that's flaps at 40% and seems to be not climbing or diving, which is really weird. Just getting tossed around by the wind. Turn the flaps off. Let's see how slow I can get this thing to fly. Come back this way into the wind. You this thing's just like a baby. So simple to fly this airplane. 30% flaps. I still have my flaps on. Let's try another slow pass. It's really getting bounced around by the wind. Doesn't weigh anything really. You can see the flaps down. I don't have them down a lot. 30 and 40% sounds like a lot, but it's not a whole lot when you look at it. 40% flaps. $30. Maybe I'll try a touch and go. Something I've never done with a 3D printed airplane. Because landing is usually where the airplane breaks. So let's give that a shot. I'm at 30%. Yeah, I'll leave a link to download this airplane in the description and some other flight videos I have that I posted up on YouTube. It's like 20% throttle right there. You can almost walk next to it. Turn my flaps off at full throttle there. Flaps are off right now. Got my timer set to 6 minutes this time. But it's got a 4S 2200 battery in it, and I know I can get more than 10 minutes with this airplane easy. Especially when you're just cruising around real slow. It flies like an air tractor almost, just like super slow and easy. It's not a flat bottom, but I designed it to be as close to the FT Sportster as I can, just 3D printed, that's all. You know, the tail surfaces are a little bit thicker. They would be equal to doubled up foam board. I think they're 12 millimeters thick, the stab and the fin. I can't believe how stable this airplane is at slow speeds. And it's also the first airplane I've ever put flat mixing in that I didn't have to add up or down elevator. It's crazy. So I brought my PLA, or pre-foam PLA version out today. I'm going to give that a Maiden, so if you want to check that out, there will be a link to that flight video, unless I crash it, of course, and I don't want to post it for some reason, but I'll probably post it either way. Alright, I'm going to get ready to bring this in. Just trying to get a couple flights in before I got to go to work today. Oh, we're at 6 minutes anyway. Probably still got 45% battery, I bet. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm Bill from HOLOMODELS RC. If you liked the video, please hit the like button or subscribe to future videos, and I'll talk at you next time.